Okay, so today we will be going over how many groups and how many in each group word problem. So first we will be doing a how many groups word problem. And the word problem is John has 1 1/2 cups of sugar. One batch of brownies needs 1/3 cup of sugar. How many batches can he make? So what we will do first is we will convert this into a mixed fraction. So it'll be 3/2, and then this one can stay the same. So what we're going to do with these two numbers is we're going to try and find a common denominator. So what we can do is we can multiply these two by 2 and these two by 3. Okay, so now they have a common denominator. So what we're going to do to see how many batches can he make with, he has 1 1/2 cups of sugar, but only one batch requires 1/3 of a cup. So what we can do is we can draw a table, and we know that number of batches can go here. I'll just put number of B. And then this will be sugar. Okay, so one batch we know takes 2/6 cup of sugar, and then 2 batches takes 4/6, and we're trying to get to 9/6 because that's equivalent to 1 1/2. So 3 would be 6/6. 4 would be 8/6. And then I'm running out of room here, so I'll write it over here. 5 would be 10/6. So we know that 9 is between 10 and 8, so it will be 4 1/2 batches. So if you have 1 1/2 cups of sugar, but one batch only takes the 1/3 of a cup of sugar, then that means that you can make 4 1/2 batches of brownies, because in between the 4 and the 5 is where you'll find 9/6. Okay, so for how many in each group problem, we have Marco needs 1 1/2 cup of cheese for his pizza. 1 1/2 cup is 1/3 of the bag of cheese. How many cups are in a bag? So I'm going to do a math diagram for this. And what I will draw first is sort of a squarish bag looking thing, and we'll cut it into thirds, because each third of a bag has 1 1/2 cup of cheese in it. So this one will have 1 1/2, this one will have 1 1/2, and this one will have 1 1/2. So to figure out how many total cups of cheese are in one bag, we have to add these together. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, and 1/2 plus 1/2 is a whole, so 4 1 4.5 because we have this one left over. So there are 4.5 cups of cheese in the bag. So the way that we can like check our work is to do the standard algorithm. So we would take 1/3 divided by 3/2, which we all know to like do the reciprocal and then multiply. So 1/3 times 2/3. That's not right. Try it the other way. There we go. I did it the wrong way. Okay, so what I did and like figured it out was that you take this one and then you say you'll have 3 over 2 divided by 1/3, and then you turn this into multiplication and flip the fraction. So then it'll be 9/2. And then 9/2 we can simplify because 2 goes into 9 4 times, which would be 8. And then there will be 1 left over. So that's how you do it.